Hey, what's up everyone? This is Mike with the watch list video for Monday, June 5th, starting off with the SPY Daily. Nice breakout. Let me pan out a little bit here. Bear with me, I'm getting used to newer charts. So they're panning out. You can kind of see the upside breakout, decent volume. I want to do one hat tip to Wayne on Friday, who called NNOX the daily. At the time he called it, hadn't done all of this yet, but it was perking up, right? And you knew you had catalysts above. I'll slide this over. And there's Wayne's post in chat. NNOX topped at 1975, has a stacked daily with lots of shorts. I took a screenshot. And he also put 1950 nibble could set up as well, right? So if you look at the time, that was around 10 o'clock in the morning. That was him pointing it out that it topped out there and it was pulling back. They kind of did a little cup and handle, right? So if you did the 1950 nibble, your worst case stop was, I don't know, maybe 30, 40 cents below. And then added at the 1975 high of day break, 3/4 inflection point, you got a really nice pop. This only shows 2109, but if you go to the daily here, the high was 2170 by the end of the day. Again, getting used to new charts, so bear with me. And there's the 5-minute. So the entry, right about where that horizontal line is, and then the add, again, right about where the horizontal line is. Never underwater if you did both those trades. And great call by Wayne. All right, anyway, again, I shouldn't have probably done anything where I'd have to maneuver the charts today because this is day one with them. All right, so bear with me again. Here we go. All right, so what are we watching for Monday? You guys know, in case you're seeing my video for the first time, I am a day trader. I do not hold overnight, so none of these are investment ideas. Let's go back to about there. All right, this is UPST, which had a nice breakout on Thursday. Kind of a quiet inside day on Friday. I'm looking for a continuation of that breakout on Monday. A lot of short, or not a lot of shorts. I have no idea how many shorts, but a lot of strength in that name is what I meant to say. IoT, kind of a nice breakout on Friday. We'll see if it gives any kind of continuation pattern. I already talked about NNOX. I can pan out to kind of show you how that looks. Well, you really can't go that far. Again, getting used to new charts, but it's extended. So I'd like to see that settle down for a couple days first, but we're definitely going to watch it. CRDO. This has had a huge move, but it held up pretty well on Friday. So let's see, Thursday's high 1706 and Friday's high 1706. I'm sorry, Thursday's must have been 1715 and Friday's 1706. So maybe back over 17. Then you've got these two catalysts above. I'm not sure why it's got that big gap to the right, but anyway, there you go. That is CRDO. Had a big move on Thursday. CXAI, certainly a recent high flyer, had a big move from, let's see what the low of this day was, 637. In a couple sessions went all the way to 1560. That's huge. Now you got a couple days down, so we're going to put that on bounce watch. Carvana, CVNA. Whoops, let me zoom in here. A lot of shorts in this name. Had a nice pop on Thursday, kind of a quiet inside day on Friday. It's been a tricky trader though, so certainly watch your position size if it sets up a plus. QBTS had a nice pop here, and it's really holding up ever since and kind of flagging. So I like the looks of this chart. LWLG, big 2-day pop, couple inside days, and it's already starting to curl back up. So that one goes on long watch. I never thought I'd put this on watch again after what it did to me that one day, that rug pull, right? But TCRX, they did, after that day, it's been getting killed ever since, and then had a gap down. I can't believe I didn't kind of revisit that on that day, because the gap down was from an offering at $2, and it just absolutely ripped that day. Went from $1.96 to $3.28. Pulled back for a few days and is starting to curl back up again. So I'm actually going to put this on long watch. You could maybe call the offering day, in theory, you could theorize that the offering day was a new recent low and it could be up from here. Again, they had a big deal with I want to say Amgen, but I can't remember now. Anyway, I am going to put that on long watch with an A+ setup. CNSP, not sure why this popped on Friday, and it closed well off its highs, but I'm going to put it on a chart. DDD is big volume on Friday. We're going to see it, and let's see, I think it topped out right at the half, so that makes it a little bit more interesting if we can get through the half on Monday. EXAI had a really nice run back here. Now it's several days down on declining volume into that buy zone on the daily. So that goes on bounce watch. And I'm going to put AI on bounce watch, even though they did this before earnings, right? Then it's been beaten up ever since, but it's gotten back down to recent, with the recent breakout area, a little bit below that, into that buy zone. So I'm putting AI on bounce watch. And if it shows strength, obviously we'll look to all the other AI plays for trades as well. Bear with me as I get used to the charts, but looking forward to the week. And I guess that's all I've got. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and we'll see everybody in the chat room on Monday morning.